In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly add an Excel spreadsheet to your Wix website. This task might seem a bit daunting at first, but trust me, it's more straightforward than you think. By the end of this guide, you'll have learned a simple and efficient way to showcase your data directly on your site, enhancing its functionality and user experience. Let's get started by heading over to the Wix website editor. If you haven't navigated here before, this is where all the magic happens. It's your hub for customizing your site and adding the essential elements that will make it truly yours. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're new. This will help as we proceed through the steps. Next, you'll want to locate the Add Elements feature. This is a crucial step as it allows us to introduce new components onto your web page. It's an essential feature in Wix that provides the flexibility to enhance your site with various functionalities. Once you're there, go ahead and click on it to open up a selection of options you can add to your site. Within this menu, you'll find the Button option. Click on it. Buttons serve as interactive elements on your site, and in this case, we'll use them to access and display your Excel spreadsheet. This step is essential as it leads you to the next set of options, specifically tailored for document and file handling. Now, direct your attention to the Document Buttons category. Clicking here will reveal more choices, providing tools specifically designed to work with files. It's a great feature for those looking to integrate documents like spreadsheets or PDFs onto their web pages in a seamless manner. Next, the step we've all been leading up to, clicking on the Excel button. This is the section where you'll make the connection between your Excel spreadsheet and your Wix website. By setting up this button, you're creating a bridge for your data to be accessed by anyone visiting your site. Once you've selected the Excel button, it's time to focus on uploading media. This step allows you to bring your Excel spreadsheet into the Wix environment. Click on the Upload Media option and then follow up by selecting Upload from Computer. This is where you choose the specific spreadsheet you want to upload. Ensure your file is ready and located in an easily accessible place on your computer. After uploading, find and click on your Excel spreadsheet from the list of available files. This will ensure you select the correct document to display on your site. It's always a good idea to double-check that you're linking the right file, especially if you have multiple versions. Finally, to wrap things up, hit Add to Page. This step concludes the process, embedding your spreadsheet into your site, making it visible and accessible to all your site visitors. Keep in mind you can adjust the button's appearance and placement to match your site's design aesthetic. And there you have it. You've successfully added an Excel spreadsheet to your Wix website. Wasn't that easy? Now your visitors have direct access to your data, elevating the usability and appeal of your site. Thanks for joining me, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials for further tips and tricks in web development.